How you doing? So as you can see here, we've got some beautiful eggs on the go today. Kind of a shakshuka, I suppose, isn't it? Eggplants, onions, garlic, a little bit of chili, obviously our eggs, tomatoes, some lovely little spices in there. Really, really good. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to get started with our eggplants. In there, I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. Now be careful with the oil, because if you put 10 tablespoons in, the eggplants will soak it up and it'll just be horrible and a bit more oily. So on an above medium heat, here I've got my eggplants. Just like 3 cups roughly of eggplant that I've cut into that size. Black pepper and salt. And we're going to fry these around just for like 4 minutes or so. Fabulous. Like 4 minutes there. Nice bit of colour on them. They're well on their way. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take them out, set them aside, come back with an empty pan. So I've just set them aside. I'm back here now. A couple of tablespoons of oil now. 1 cup of onions. Cut them how you like. I've just cut them like this, but cut them small if you want. 1 tablespoon of garlic. Again, above medium heat, fairly lively. 3 minutes, keep it moving. Fabulous. Now we're going to add 2 tomatoes. Well, these are quite large tomatoes, so about 2 or 3 cups of tomatoes in total. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of thyme, cumin and chili powder. You can play around with that if you want. If you don't like one of those or don't have it, replace it with something else. A little bit more salt and a little bit more black pepper. Don't forget we put some already on the eggplant, so don't go crazy now. Now we want to go for like 4 minutes or so. What I want to happen is that these tomatoes break down and become a mush. That's why it's quite important to use a nice ripe tomato if you can. So you can see the tomatoes are broken down, turned into a mush and give off a lovely sauce. We're now going to get our eggplants back in there. And we're going to go for 3 more minutes. Really delicious. Fantastic. Now look, I've just lowered the heat. What we're going to do now is I'm going to get some eggs in there. I'm going just with 3 eggs. What I like to do, optional, chili flakes, just a few in there. Now get the a lid on there, nice and low, and cook those eggs for how you like them really. I mean, I like my eggs quite hard, so pop a lid on. For me, it's going to be about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, there you go, just taking the lid off. That's kind of where I like my eggs to be. That's up to you. Now, still haven't finished. I've got some feta cheese, which I'm just going to roughly put on there. If you wanted some fresh chili on there, maybe some black olives or green olives, cilantro or coriander, or you could use parsley if you wanted. That's it. Off goes the heat. Stick that straight on the table. Tuck in and share. It's wonderful. And there you have it, guys. Get some bread, dip it in, spoon it out, stick it on your plate, do whatever you like. Fantastic. Hope you enjoy that. I'll speak to you soon. Keep well, keep safe. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.